Hello bag builders, it's Diane from Spencer Og Sewing Patterns, and I am here to introduce you to my new sewing pattern, which is the Pixie Crossbody. It's a full written pattern with full colour photographs all the way through for every step, and it comes with a free video tutorial to walk you through making this gorgeous bag. Think you can't make a zip on the curve? Well, now you can, because we attach it on the straight and then we bend the fabric round. So it's a really easy zip insertion method, and the whole thing is suitable for domestic machines. So none of us are carrying much around at the moment, so I thought I'd design a bag specifically for today and today's environment. The bag has two open pockets to the front. The top pocket gives easy access to masks or to your phone, and the front pocket can be made in mesh to keep a mini bottle of hand sanitizer close at hand. To the back, there's a large zip pocket for valuables. Again, it can be used for your phone, plenty of room there. I was originally going to call it the Sign of the Times bag, but after I'd made a few, I just realised it was too cute for that name, so it's now called the Pixie. So if you've got a foam bag and it's a bit too small, if you've got a crossbody and it's a bit too big, well, I think this is going to be the perfect happy medium for you. So like me, if you're just carrying a few essentials around when you go out, when you do actually go out, then this is the bag for you. It measures 21 by 15 centimetres, and that is 8 1/4 by 6 inches. So it sounds quite small, but it actually holds a surprising amount. Lots of room inside too. Plenty of room for your keys. A compact accordion wallet. A Kindle, spectacles. It'll even fit an A5 notebook in there. In the back, inside, there's a divided pocket, which will also fit your phone or your glasses. And there's a pen slot as well. Or you can just leave it as one big open pocket. It comes with instructions to make a full length crossbody strap, and also directions how to make a detachable strap or use your own boat strap if you prefer. It's a compact crossbody that is suitable for both men and women, so you can make it in fabrics to suit anyone. This is one I made for my husband. He specifically asked me for one in vinyl he didn't want the slip pockets on the back, he just wanted the zip pocket on the front. So in vinyl, but he wanted it without the straps, just so he could hold it as a manly man bag. But I think it works quite well actually. Whether it has the straps or not, it's great for a man. So it's suitable for lots of different fabrics. Initially I developed it just for quilting cottons and canvas, but then I realised it's really great in cork. Full cork version there. It also works brilliantly in vinyl, denim, even waxed canvas would be ideal. I'll also show you how to make these really cute pixie zip pullers. It's a moderate skill level pattern, and it comes with a full video tutorial for those of us who are more visual learners. I also have a bag making board for general help and support with all my patterns, and I'm there daily to ask any questions, so please do join up for that at any point. I'll put the link in below. So the pattern is available for purchase now on the link in the text underneath the video if you scroll down. It's instant download, and it prints onto US letter size paper or international A4 size paper, and there are full-size computer drafted pattern pieces included. It's perfect for carrying all today's essentials. Just grab it and go. I'd love to see your makes. Just use the hashtag SpencerOg on Instagram or post your pictures to my Facebook board. Find lots more of my patterns and hardware at spencerog.com. I'll put the link in below. And of course, while you're here, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's lots and lots of bag making help and tips, lots of free projects, and of course, all my bag making tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Download the Pixie Crossbody now and go sew!